Beneath Europa's icy surface lies a secret that could change everything we know about life in the universe. Scientists have uncovered shocking new evidence of water, not just frozen, but liquid, and possibly more abundant than all the oceans on Earth combined. Strange chemical signatures and unusual heat patterns suggest something extraordinary is happening deep below the ice, bringing us closer than ever to finding extraterrestrial life. In March 1979, NASA's Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 space probes passed near Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, as part of their grand tour of the solar system. At a distance of 118,000 miles from Europa's surface, Voyager 2 captured high-quality images and collected data that led scientists to hypothesize the existence of a liquid ocean beneath the moon's thick ice shell. Subsequent research, including observations from the Galileo spacecraft in the late 1990s, provided further evidence confirming the presence of this hidden ocean, estimated to be between 6 and 18 miles beneath the icy crust. This discovery opened up new possibilities. Could Europa harbor life? Scientists soon found additional clues that strengthened their case. In 1997, during a low-altitude flyby just 125 miles above Europa's surface, the Galileo spacecraft detected something extraordinary, a massive water vapor plume erupting from beneath the ice. At the same time, its magnetometer recorded an anomaly later identified as ionized water molecules reacting to sunlight. This suggested that Galileo didn't just pass near a water vapor eruption, it actually flew through it. Years later, in 2013, the Hubble Space Telescope provided further evidence. While observing Europa, Hubble captured images showing faint traces of what appeared to be geysers erupting from the moon's surface. Scientists estimate that these geysers can reach several hundred kilometers into space before falling back to the surface. According to calculations, enough water is ejected every 8 minutes to fill an Olympic-sized swimming pool. On October 14, 2024, NASA launched the Europa Clipper mission, the most expensive planetary mission in history and the largest spacecraft ever designed to study a planetary body. Its goal: to conduct detailed investigations of Europa's surface and subsurface ocean, making it one of the most ambitious efforts in the search for extraterrestrial life. But why has this mission become the costliest in NASA's history? The answer lies in its complexity. Europa Clipper is equipped with 9 state-of-the-art scientific instruments designed to analyze the moon's surface composition, ice shell thickness, subsurface ocean, and even detect potential biosignatures. Unlike past missions that conducted brief flybys, Europa Clipper will perform dozens of close passes, collecting high-resolution data with every encounter. Europa is one of Jupiter's 95 known moons, a mysterious frozen world with a diameter of 1,940 miles, about 90% the size of Earth's moon. Its surface is entirely covered in ice, exposed to extreme cosmic radiation, and experiences frigid temperatures that drop below -50 degrees Celsius, -58 degrees Fahrenheit. At first glance, Europa appears barren and lifeless. But today, it is considered one of the most promising places to search for extraterrestrial organisms. Here's why: beneath Europa's thick ice shell lies a vast ocean, estimated to be up to 60 miles deep, with more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. While Europa receives little direct sunlight, gravitational interactions with Jupiter generate internal heat through tidal flexing. This process creates enough energy to keep the subsurface ocean from freezing entirely. Recent observations from the Hubble Space Telescope detected carbon dioxide on Europa's surface. Data analysis suggests it originated from the subsurface ocean rather than external sources like meteorites. The presence of other chemicals, such as hydrogen peroxide and molecular oxygen, further supports the possibility of biological activity. If life exists beneath Europa's ice shell, what might it look like? Most scientists believe that any discovered organisms would likely be primitive, similar to the microbial life that thrives around Earth's deep-sea hydrothermal vents. These unique ecosystems, found miles beneath the ocean's surface, are home to bacteria that derive energy from chemical reactions rather than sunlight. But what if there's something more complex? Some researchers speculate that Europa's subsurface ocean could host ecosystems built around chemotrophic bacteria, microorganisms that rely on chemical energy. If bacteria thrive, they could serve as a food source for more complex organisms, much like the food chain in Earth's deep-sea environments. Could Europa harbor creatures resembling deep-sea fish, jellyfish, or even something akin to squid?
While this remains speculative, the possibility is not entirely outlandish.
If similar ecological principles apply, Europa could host an entire alien biosphere beneath its ice, a world hidden from the surface yet teeming with life.
One of the greatest challenges in exploring Europa is its thick ice shell.
Scientists estimate it could be anywhere between 10 to 30 kilometers deep, making direct sampling of the ocean incredibly difficult. Some proposed methods include using nuclear-powered robotic drills to melt through the ice or deploying autonomous underwater vehicles capable of navigating beneath the surface.
Another challenge is radiation.
Europa orbits within Jupiter's powerful magnetic field, exposing its surface to intense radiation levels. Any spacecraft or lander would need heavy shielding to survive long enough to conduct meaningful experiments.
The Europa Clipper mission is only the beginning.
Scientists hope that this groundbreaking mission will pave the way for future explorations, including potential landers that could one day drill through Europa's thick ice shell and directly sample its subsurface ocean. NASA has already proposed a concept for a Europa lander, a spacecraft that could touch down on the Moon's surface, analyze ice samples, and search for biosignatures. Although still in the early stages, this mission could provide the final piece of evidence needed to confirm life beyond Earth. If life is discovered on Europa, it would revolutionize our understanding of biology and the conditions necessary for life to exist. It would mean that life is not unique to Earth and could potentially be common throughout the universe. The discovery of extraterrestrial microorganisms would also raise profound questions about the possibility of more advanced alien civilizations. Could Europa's ocean be home to intelligent life? While unlikely, the mere presence of simple life forms would suggest that, given the right conditions and enough time, life elsewhere in the universe could evolve in ways we've never imagined. For now, Europa remains one of the most intriguing and mysterious worlds in our solar system. But with each new discovery, we come one step closer to unraveling its secrets, and potentially finding life beyond Earth. The Europa Clipper mission represents a new era in space exploration, one that could answer humanity's most profound question: are we alone in the universe? Stay tuned, because the next chapter in the search for alien life is just beginning. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching my channel.